Hey guys, so another new tool, this time from Microsoft. This is called Copilot 3D, which allows you to make images into 3D models, as it basically says here with one click. So here you can see a flamingo drawing turned into a real 3D flamingo. So what this is good is because if you are into a game creation or you want to use 3D models for your website or just for any, even thumbnails, you can use image. You can basically make a 3D image really easy, and I will show you how. So first of all, you will have to log in with your Google account or Microsoft account. You will basically be on this page. What you have to do is click right here on the basically sidebar. So when you click, you will see the labs tab, and you will just click on it, and here you will see many experimental AI initiatives, and one of them is Copilot. So you will basically go on it, and here you will already see many assets already made, which will basically show you what this is capable of. This is really simple, but this is new. So I'm excited for all these tools. So let's, for example, upload an image. For example, this Gucci hat. And what you have to do, just press create, and it will start creating. Here you can already see some of my creations. I uploaded this Spider-Man image from Google Images, just a random PNG. And here you can see it basically did a solid job. Even if you don't see the back of this Spider-Man, you see that he actually, the AI actually found a way. He basically knew that the real Spider-Man has this symbol. But overall, it looks quite good. It's not perfect. It is more like a child's, for child drawing, something like that, because you can see the fingers are quite weird as well. But again, this is just a beginning of this tool. And if we go back, you will see some more tools. I mean, some more images that I already created. I basically uploaded this house. And here you can see it created a 3D, so you can create a simple drawings, or if you have kids, you can turn their drawings into a real 3D assets, and maybe basically 3D print something if you have 3D printer. And let's see what the Copilot did with this hat. So this is a Gucci hat, and this actually looks quite nice. The Gucci symbol is not here, but still. Quite good for this primitive, basic 3D Copilot. And again, I can basically put this on my YouTube thumbnails or on some images or on some videos. So where you want to use them is up to you. I upload my face, but I mean the 3D model is basically spot on, but the face itself looks bad. That's why, again, this is basically for simple drawings like this. So here you can see I uploaded this. It basically turned into a 3D coin, but obviously it looks much better in the image. But overall, nice and great tool. Everything will get even better as time goes by. I just want to show you this tool, so maybe you find it useful. And again, if you like these videos, press like, press subscribe, so the YouTube algorithm actually pushes my channel, because I'm trying to post a video every day. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on AI news, AI tools, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.